And now, your first alert weather.
Pocatello getting its own version of March Madness right now as we take a live look here for the Farm Bureau sky cam. We got snow, and look at it, it's just coming in sideways, and the roads are getting worse by the second. So be extra careful if you're heading out there tonight, maybe trying to grab a bite to eat, and might have to tip the delivery guy a little extra for coming to your house in this. And we got more of that coming up the Snake River Plain, heading through the upper reaches of the valley later on tonight. So here's what we got. Viper radar showing us a rain-snow mix. A few thunderstorms out there. Let's go a little bit closer in right now. We got that heavy snow band that's currently blowing through Pocatello, Chubbuck, Fort Hall, and on the south end of Blackfoot right now, moving into those mountains on the eastern side of Fort Hall, plus also trying to come over the mountains here into the Portneuf Gap with more snow heading towards Income, and then we're getting that snow heading through the Arbin Valley area, and then we get over here to American Falls. They've been dealing with it as well. Gusty winds, sideways snow, and yeah, mess on Highway 86 and 84 with all that wind. Right now, though, in Idaho Falls, we're not seeing much at the moment. We've been getting a few flakes out there, but we're just starting to see those dark clouds rolling in from the southwest. There's more where that came from, courtesy of this cold front, which is coming in here for tonight and heading in here for your Friday. That front now exiting Portland and Seattle, heading into central and eastern Oregon, and we also have that front trailing all the way to California. So here we go. We got the front, we got the snow, we even got a few thunderstorms ahead of the front tonight. And as that front passes on through, we'll see dropping temperatures and it all turning to snow by Friday. So the National Weather Service issuing a wind advisory. This is for areas of the Magic Valley into the lower Snake River Plain from Bingham County all the way to the southwest. So I-86, I-84 will be a mess tonight and tomorrow, not only with the sideways snow, but the wind that's going to be gusting above 40 miles per hour. And even if you don't live in that area, everybody's going to see the wind, okay? So we're going to have gusty conditions, but just the worst of it's going to be right there in Bingham, Bannock, and Power counties. So for tomorrow, we have the front blowing through, the jet stream still keeping us on the colder side of things. Temperatures well below average for this time of the year, and we have more of the snow in the forecast here, at least through Saturday, with a good amount of heavy snow in our local mountains, especially through the Snake Highlands. Tonight on the Vipercast, around 11 o'clock midnight, we're going to have hit and miss snow showers overnight, and the temperatures will begin to drop overnight, turning everything over to snow. And then we're going to see most of the snow again kind of just skipping over the Snake River Plain and heading right towards southeastern Idaho and western Wyoming mountains. Then we get some scattered snow in here late tonight, early tomorrow morning for Friday. We'll have the winds gusty about 30-40 miles per hour, and then more scattered snow into the afternoon around dinner time for Friday. We clear out briefly for Friday night. You can even see a little clearing there on the Vipercast, but quite a bit of snow still hanging close into those mountains for Saturday, with a few snow showers still hanging through the Snake River Plain. Let me show you those wind speeds. Obnoxious at best. We're going to be looking for those gusty conditions well into the 20s tonight and tomorrow, and it's going to stay that way all day here for Friday. Here's your forecast. We'll have temperatures into the 20s, but everything looking below freezing out there. 31 for the high in Preston, 27 in Lava, 27 in Soda, 27 in Montpelier, 30 for Rexburg, 30 for St. Anthony. You know, all these numbers are about the same as you go from city to city, and they really don't mean much except that it's going to be windy and cold outside with scattered snow. We got highs at 26 for Saturday, then we're dropping down to highs 24 for Sunday in Jackson. Very cold conditions with lows at night close to 0. Rexburg 30 for tomorrow, 28 for Saturday with gusty conditions, scattered snow. Things will start to dry up for Monday, and we have another system arriving for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week with the possibility of more rain and snow. Central Idaho 33 for Salmon, 30 for Challis, and 28 in Arco. Salmon, you're going to hit highs here in the low 30s through Saturday, mid to lower 30s for Sunday with hit and miss snow showers and partly cloudy skies. Moving back into the Snake River Plain, we had 31 for Idaho Falls, 35 for Pocatello, and 30 for Rigby. Bottom line here, look for dropping temperatures. It's going to be colder for Friday and Saturday. Lows at night, teens and 20s. Temperatures will try to get back up to 40 degrees towards Wednesday of next week, but we have, again, another round of wet weather that's going to try to get in here for next week. Pocatello 33 for Saturday and Sunday, with Idaho Falls seeing highs here in the upper 20s for Saturday and Sunday. Drier weather for Monday. Linda.
Okay, Michael, thanks.